Dear colleagues and my dear students, once again I welcome you all to join with me to attend this simple class on time and work. The following rules are followed to solve problems on time and work. If a person can do a piece of work in n days, then the work done by him in 1 day will be equal to 1 by n. If two persons A and B can individually do some work in m and n days respectively, then A and B together can complete the same work in mn by m plus n days. If two persons A and B can complete some work in m days, then A can individually do the same work in n days. Then B can complete the work in mn by m minus n days. Simple problems. 1. If A can do 1 by 4 of a work in 4 days and B can do 1 by 8 of the work in 3 days, how much will A get if both work together and paid rupees 4,500 in all? Solution. A's work per day is equal to 1 by 16 because A is doing 1 by 4 of the work in 4 days. So per 1 day it will be 1 by 4 into 4. Therefore A's work per day equal to 1 by 16. Similarly, B's work per day will be equal to 1 by 8 into 3, that is 1 by 24. So A and B together 1 day work 1 by 16 plus 1 by 24, that is equal to 5 by 48. The total share is rupees 4,500. Therefore, A's share will be 4,500 divided by 5 by 48 into 1 by 16, that is equal to rupees 2,700. Next problem. A alone can complete a work in 15 days and B alone in 20 days. Starting with A, they work on alternative days. In how many days the work will be completed? You see, given A can complete the work in 15 days. Therefore, A's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 15. And B completes in 20 days. Therefore, B's 1 day work will be 1 by 20. So, when A and B work together, per day they work 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 part. So, that will be equal to 7 by 60. Now, we have 8 into 7 by 60 plus 1 into 15 equal to 1. A and B working together, they complete 7 by 60 part. So here we are having the 8 into 7 by 60 plus 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is the work done by A on 1 day. Therefore, the work will be completed in 8 into 2 plus 1 equal to 17 days. Next problem. 1 woman or 2 men or 3 boys can do a piece of work in 55 days. Then the same work will be completed by 1 man, 1 woman and 1 boy in how many days? From the given data we have 1 man's 1 day work equal to 1 by 55. Similarly, 1 man's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 55 into 2, that is 1 by 110. And one boy's one day work will be equal to 1 by 55 into 3, that is 1 by 165. So if one man, one boy and one woman work together, the total work done by them per day will be equal to 1 by 55 plus 1 by 110 plus 1 by 165. That will be equal to 1 by 30. Therefore, the work will be completed in 30 days. Next problem. 48 workers can reap a field in 9 days. If the work is to be completed in 6 days, then how many extra workers are needed? You see the problem. 48 workers can complete the work in 9 days. But we have to complete the work in 6 days. Therefore, additional workers are necessary. The problem is to find out the number of workers additionally required. Let the number of extra workers be equal to n. From the given data, 48 workers one day work will be equal to 1 by 9. Therefore, 1 workers one day work will be equal to 1 by 9 into 48. From the given data, the n workers are additionally coming. Therefore, 1 by 48 plus n into 1 by 9 into 48 into 6 equal to 1. Because the work should be completed within 6 days. Therefore, into 6 equal to 1. From this equation, we will get n equal to 24. Therefore, the number of extra workers equal to 24. Next problem. If 6 men and 8 boys can complete a work in 6 days, which can also be completed by 8 men and 15 boys in 4 days. Compare the efficiency ratio of men and boys. Let one man's one day work equal to P. That means from the work, if we take the work done equal to 1, P part is done by one man per day. That's what we have written here. That one man's one day work equal to P. Similarly, we assume that one boy's one day work equal to Q part. Q part of that one. Total work is 1. So Q part is there. That is one boy's one day work. From the given data, we have 6 into 6P plus 8Q equal to 1. Because 6 men and 8 boys can complete the work in 6 days. Therefore, 6 into P plus 8 into Q into 6 equal to 1. Also, the same work can be completed by 8 men and 15 days, 8 men and 15 boys in 4 days. Therefore, we get 4 into 8P plus 15Q equal to 1. Dividing both sides of the equations by Q, we shall get 6 into 6P by Q plus 8 equal to 1 by Q, and 4 into 8P by Q plus 15 equal to 1 by Q. We have to equate the values of 1 by Q of these two equations and get simplified as P by Q equal to 3. Therefore, P is to Q equal to 3 is to 1. Hence, the required efficiency ratio of men and boys is 3 is to 1. Next problem. A certain number of men can complete a piece of work in 30 days. If there are 8 men less, it would take 10 days more. How many men were there originally? Let the number of men equal to n. We are assuming that originally there are n men. So n men's one day work equal to 1 by 90 because they complete the work in 90 days. Therefore, n men's one day work equal to 1 by 90. Therefore, one man's one day work will be equal to 1 by 90n. you see from the given data, n minus 8 into 1 by 90 into n into 100 equal to 1, because when 8 men are less, the number of men will be equal to n minus 8, and 1 man's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 90n. We have to multiply that with n minus 8, but additionally 10 more days is required. Therefore, we are multiplying by 90 plus 10, that is 100. That is equal to 1. Simplifying this, we will get n equal to 80. Therefore, the number of men originally in the work is 80. Next problem. 4 girls can do a piece of work in 8 days. The same work 3 boys can do in 9 days, and 7 men in 2 days, and 5 women in 4 days. Who among them have the minimum capacity of work? It's a very easy problem. From the given data, one girl 1 day works 1 by 4 into 8, that is 1 by 32 part. Similarly, one boy's 1 day work will be 1 by 27 part. One man's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 14 parts, and one woman's 1 day work equal to 1 by 20. So, who is working the less is a girl. That is 1 by 32, which is the lowest of all these 4 numbers. Hence, a girl has the minimum capacity of work. The last problem. 8 men can complete a piece of work in 20 days. 8 women can complete the same work in 32 days. In how many days will 5 men and 8 women together complete the same work? From the given data, one man's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 8 into 20, that is 1 by 160 parts. Similarly, one woman's 1 day work will be equal to 1 by 256, because 1 by 8 into 32. Hence, 5 men and 8 women together work per day equal to 5 by 160 plus 8 by 256. Simplifying this, we get this will be equal to 1 by 60. Hence, the work will be completed in 16 days. Thank you.